Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hi there, in this quick video I will show you how Local Business Visuals Domination works and what's inside. Here's the access page that you will get once you purchase. First you have the video walkthrough, a super detailed one where I show everything. Then you get the PDF guide here with the opportunities, how to create visuals, what they sell for, what local businesses want, etc. Then you have bonuses and some optional upgrades below, but the core part is the prompt builder web app. Let's see how it works. You click on it and this app opens up. First of all, you have to select the business type and then you will get boxes to select the visuals and the optional fields. I prepared 3 examples for you. One of them is a complicated visual, and you will see that the app is able to create multi-page visuals. But let me show you. The first example is for a barbershop with a service price list. First of all, we select barbershop, service price list. These are all the visual types for a barbershop. Obviously, each business type has different visuals. Some of them are common and some are unique to each visual type. Fill in your details. These are the required ones. King's Cut Barbershop. And then we get the services and prices. Here they are. Then you can give some optional fields for extra control. I just give the colors here. I could also add custom text or the layout, etc. But let's keep it this way. Generate the prompt. Okay, now I simply take the prompt, copy it to clipboard, and I can open one of these 3 tools, ChatGPT, Gemini, or Grok, or any other AI tool that I want. Now I open ChatGPT just as an example. I paste the prompt and click on enter. And let's wait a few seconds. Here's the result. Super good. The second example is this one. Bar cafe, happy hour, promo drink. So we select bar cafe, choose a visual type, happy hour. Then we have the business name. And then the promo is one. I leave everything blank just for the example. I copy the prompt to the clipboard. And now again, let's go on ChatGPT. Let me open a new chat and create the image. Here it is, the golden hour, happy hour, and we have the exact promo we asked for. And this is a great service that you can sell to a local like this. Then the final example, let's go back here to the app. We have a restaurant, full menu. We have a restaurant pizzeria, visual type full menu. We have the business name and the menu content divided by the different plates, starter, pizzas, desserts. And then we want also to add, in this case, the layout page split. So we want 2 pages, page 1 for these kind of products and page 2 for desserts and drinks. And then the style, we put warm rustic Italian, colors red and cream. And we select the multi-page document option, 2 pages. So now the AI will not give one single prompt, but 2 prompts, which will create 2 images, one for each page of the menu. And the 2 prompts will be created in a way that the style and layout stay consistent. So this is an option that you can activate for this kind of outputs, like full menus, or things that require more than 1 page. Generate the prompt, and as it is written here, you have to use the same chat so the images stay consistent. We take the first prompt. Let's open a new chat. We enter the prompt. Here's the first page of the menu with all the plates that we pointed out in the prompt. Then we want to generate the second page with the second prompt. Here it is. We copy it. A trick I use is to simply select the first image and then enter the second prompt here, so you are 100% sure that the AI uses the same style. Or another trick is download this image enter the prompt here and attach the image as a reference. Let's use this trick just as an example. I attach the image, here it is. I attached the first image as a reference. Then I copy the second prompt, which will tell AI to continue from where it left off with the menu. Let's wait. And here's the second image. As you see, it maintained the same exact style as the first one. So we have a full menu ready to be sold to a restaurant in this case. So these were some of the examples. Again, this is the web app. Then you have the PDF guide, super detailed guide with many useful information on visuals for local businesses. And then you have the bonuses. So this was all. Thanks for staying with me in this quick demo.